subscribe to our YouTube channel. She's the best.
This boy has sweet mouth. They've been telling me to make myself comfortable. I make myself comfortable. I'll stay here for like 2 years. This beautiful place in Abuja, Nigeria. Oh my god, guys, this place is. Let me get my mic. You guys, we are at STP apartment. Okay. See guys, it's not even giving, you know, all those Airbnbs or apartments that you enter out to look to apartment-ish. It's giving home. It's giving peace. It's giving style. It's giving luxury. Yeah, it's giving, you know, I want to chill here. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to go out. Come meet me. Come and see me here. Meet me here. Let us talk at home. That's what it's giving. And see, I really love this place. If you're a 2026 bride, you know, if you're in Abuja for a staycation, vacation, holiday, whatever, nation, election, whatever, come to STP. Come to STP, okay? I'll leave the details in the description box below. The reception here is 100%. Guys, this is the place to be. Like, this is home away from home. I'm not even capping. No cap at all. And I cannot wait to explore here. I can't wait to, you know, enjoy the vibe here, enjoy the environment, enjoy the ambience. Okay, I was actually contemplating, you know, staying here for the staycation, the first staycation, but guys, I am gonna be here live and direct by God's grace, okay? But yeah, we'll plan that because I have to stay overnight and all of that. But yeah, anyway, I am here ready to shoot. The decorator is already doing his thing. You can hear the noise. If you cannot hear it, you can hear it, whatever. But yeah, he's already pumping the balloons and everything. I want to show you guys when I get there. When I woke up this morning, I wasn't really pumped, the way I'm talking like this, and I was getting ready and everything, but I feel better. I feel so much better right now, and being here has really calmed my mood. They're getting something for me to eat. I told them I want snacks. I don't want to be too heavy, but just something to give me energy before we start filming. And yeah, I got here right on time. Yeah, I think we're early. We're just waiting for the director, the person will direct us, you know, to do one or two things. The dress I got for my birthday is what I'm going to use. I don't know, I might use it. But I'm happy I did my makeup. I did my makeup myself, like light, pretty, and I still look like me. Okay, let's do a tour. Let's do an apartment tour. Let me show you this beautiful place in Abuja, Nigeria. So this is the door when you come in, obviously. Yeah, we have the lights. There's a guest bathroom here. That's me. Hi. This is the living room area. So pretty, easy. I love the green color. We have the AC and this chandelier. So pretty. Is it chandelier or chandelier? Whatever. Oh, is that rose for me? The flowers are for me. We have the intercom. We have the wide TV. We have this cute shelf here. And the dining area. That's my 5G. We have this beautiful frame. I just love the details here. It's minimal but still elegant. And this wide mirror here, who would have thought of this? Oh my god, imagine shooting your content here. And this is the kitchen. Super spacious, guys. Super spacious. Super spacious. Okay, there's an exit door here. It's locked. We have this double door fridge. Exit. Okay, the shelves, storage. Guys, this is really beautiful. Is this a pantry? Oh, it's a balcony. Oh, great. And there is still an exit door. So this is the back view. So pretty. Super pretty. Super pretty. Super pretty. Okay, and the decorator is doing his thing. Okay, let's go to the other room. Guys, this is the executive room. It's the executive apartment, rather. 2 bedrooms. Do I have to put something here to get... Okay, to gain points, insert the card. The card is in the parlor. But yeah, this is what we have here. Is it the same thing for here? It is though. But this is the bathroom. Super cute, neat. Oh my god. This is so good. Look at the bathroom. So neat. Well kept. Oh my, they have really done a good job here. And they're about 2 years plus. Oh, this is pretty. It's pretty. So guys, they're going to propose to me again for the second time. Oh wow. Hi, say hi. He's very tired, but he's doing a great job, guys. Nice. What's your name, sir, of your brand? Okay, let's give a shout out. Balloon? Okay, my balloon and events. All right. So guys, I'll drop details of his handle in the description box. So yeah, let's just chill. That's my box. Oh, and this cute table, center table. This is really gorgeous, guys. Now I feel like filming here. The network has been super poor today. I don't know what's wrong with MTN. I don't know what's wrong with Glow. I can't make calls. I can't use my internet. I just hope that this guy's music will not enter this video because of copyright. Anyway, and I'm super excited. Like, I am so excited to be here. Like, I'm just gonna chill and rest, and then of course leave when it's time to leave. Shout out to STP Apartments, shout out to STP Management, shout out to Chisom, who has been the one coordinating everything to this point. And I just pray that everything we do today will be done to the glory of God and to come out very well, and we'll get the engagement we need, we'll get the views, the visibility. You know, even if we don't get 1 million views, but let us get 1 million customers, if that makes sense. Anyway, I'll keep taking you guys along with me today. Whatever we do, I'll try my best because I'll be filming, of course. Like, I'll be modeling, not even filming. So bye. Okay, everybody's here.
Yeah.
Like
this, no, my model goes paper.
No, Valerie, don't mind. Yes. Well, alright guys, let me work on my wig. I didn't have time to do this at home, but let me try and see if I can straighten my hair. Now I wish I came with like more makeup products for touch up. Not like my makeup is getting bad, but just for vibes. I'm so happy that this apartment has sockets everywhere. Like, everywhere you turn there's a socket. And this my particular hair straightener is double mouth, just 2 mouth rather, so the socket fits very well. And I was just like, oh my god, I did not carry an adapter. How am I going to, you know, cope? Let me just touch up my hair a bit, and yeah, we're good to go. We haven't started filming, or I'll be shooting. I don't know when we are going to start. Well, the videographer is here. The decorator is still doing his thing. No, decoration takes time. Oh, are you kidding me? It takes time. The guy started before I got here, and he's still on it. So I'm getting cranky, not like in a bad way, but like I'm hungry. I really love this apartment. I can't even lie. I just did one short form content. You should come here, okay? If you're in Abuja, you sit here. Stay here, not even visit. Stay here. They've been telling me to make myself comfortable. I make myself comfortable. I'll stay here for like 2 years. Oh my god. This decorator has been jamming up. His song should not enter my video. God, I beg.
I'm shake. If you could boom, this pussy can I play. So I tell you, no, I'm made. Yo, yo. Oh, no, mala. I put the valley out. I'm king, all over. I check the dollar. Wait on me, all over. Thank you, all over. All over me. Wait, all over me. Oh, no, mala. I put the valley out. I'm king, all over. I check the dollar. Wait on me, all over. Thank you, all over.
The lighting in this place is amazeballs. Let me get my mic. And guys, this is my front camera. Hear me? Can you hear me? Hear me? Okay guys, it's time to get ready. Yeah, it's time for the first shoot. I hope I get this right because there's one thing to see an inspiration, there's one thing to, execute the inspiration. But yeah, let's get ready and I'll see you guys. I'm disappearing and I'm appearing. Dun, 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 dun. What in the world? What in the world? I'm happy they've not overfed me yet. I'm so happy the juice was fresh juice because ain't got time to be taking fizzy drinks. I told him that I don't take fizzy drinks, please, water will be fine, but they brought fresh juice instead. And the guy that served us overdid himself. Like, it was so late. Even the cake was so good. It wasn't sugary, just perfect. This place is a 10 over 10. This is not hypo. Me, I'll not hype in place as 10 over 10, but this place, okay, 10 over 10. Okay, let's get ready. Guys, I've lost a lot of weight, but this is the outfit. Okay, great. I think is the light okay here? I think. So guys, I've lost weight. I wish I can just hold the jeans small. I didn't come with a belt on purpose. Scent of the shoots, scent of the day for the shoots. We have Hayati Gold Elixir. So good, so feminine. Even this one, I think this is masculine. It's a mix. This is Amir Al Oud. I'm still owing you guys. I still owe you guys a perfume review, and I keep adding. So the shoes I'll be wearing, I've not worn these shoes since I don't know when. They have red bottoms. I tried to wash this under so that to look fresh for the picture, like red. So if I'll do something about it, I think that's what I'm wearing for the first shoot. I think I'm ready. Let me just apply lip gloss. Now I have other options, but like I just want that red vibe. I don't know, but it's not obvious that I don't look too small, do I? No. You guys, I changed my trousers. I'm wearing the joggers I want to come. I think this is better than the grey jeans. But I've brought my black palazzo instead. I took a picture and was not just giving, I was giving something else. So I think this is better, to be very honest. What do you guys think right now? If that makes any sense. Yeah. Let me use the mirror. Oh no. You guys, I'm stressed. This red top used to be super tight. The light is not on in the room because they need to put the card. I don't talk to them about it, I beg. I'm already stressed. Should I take this down? Then we have like the shoe and the newspaper. That's the vibe. So I don't know if I should wear this or my jeans. I think this is better. I don't know. What are you guys saying?
You're doing really, really good.
Yeah.
How about? It's calm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm already getting tired, but
Like
it's
everything
good.
that's here,
When the final part, I'm so happy. The second to the final part,
was perfect.
and they said I'm doing well.
What?
Hire me as your model.
Yes.
And this outfit is eating,
That one I sent you.
just like me.
You've done that flower.
Everyone say hi to Noel.
Shout out to Valerie. Shout out to Valerie.
Tell them to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. She's the best.
This boy has sweet mouth. You two are the best at what you do. Akbar, videographer, content creator. What else do you do? Editor, video editor, director,
Sweet
chairman, sweet mouth. Say hi to YouTube. Director.
So nice to have